And here we go, a whole computer running on this thing. Hey everyone, it's Alessio here from Developer Experience team at Snap. If you're completely new to Spectacles and not sure where to begin, this video is for you. I'll be walking you through the full experience from signing up for the developer program to unboxing your very first pairs of Spectacles. Let's get started together. So what are Spectacles? Spectacles 2024 are the latest 5th generation AR glasses from Snap, a full-fledged spatial computing platform. Spectacles are standalone see-through AR glasses, powered by Snap OS. Spectacles connect to Snapchat, so you can do things with the people you love. Join a shared lens to play a game, like High Five. Review a new layout, or head outside and take in a great day with augmented surroundings. And yes, of course your Spectacles are AI glasses as well. Multimodal generative AI in your hands. Browse web results, generate 3D asset, and watch spatially arranged video throughout your day. Spectacles are not a virtual reality headset. Spectacles enhance the physical world by overlaying digital information, such as images, 3D models, sounds, and text, onto a user's real-world environment. Let's get started unboxing your very first pairs of Spectacles. So let's open it together. See the glasses here. Then we have a little drawers here at the bottom. We open it and we see actually like a protector case here for clipping it on top of the glasses. But let's also take the glasses off the box. We see that there is a charger cable here at the bottom of the glasses section. We also have a little pouch to bring Spectacles with us everywhere we go. And here we go. We have our Spectacles, and the glasses are comfortable and relatively light considering it is a whole computer running on this thing. Notice the symmetric design of these for each inch of the glasses. Snap OS is our proprietary operating system that allows you to run a dual processor stack. With 2 processors, we double our computing capacity, and with that we also allow 2 batteries to increase power, and the 2 chambers allow more air circulation within the device. One of the processors handles system features like hand tracking and scene understanding, while the other one handles features like SnapML, running your own local models, and general latency reduction and lens execution. You can actually order your prescription lenses, which will come with the glasses. I can finally get rid of my glasses and put on Spectacles. Let's turn on the glasses, pushing the button here at the right side, and I will start to see the Spectacles logo in front of me. I'm powering them from the very first time, and I already installed the Spectacles app on my phone. I logged in with my Snapchat account. I click on Begin Setup and then turn on pairing mode. I press and hold the left temple button for 7 seconds, and the LED will begin to flash. It asks me if I want to pair my Bluetooth, and when I click OK, I will need to connect to Wi-Fi. I will need to get rid of the glasses just for a second, and then click on Next, and say I'm ready, allow camera, and then I will be able to set up my eye distance, and then the setup is finally complete. The first thing I will be asked to do when using Spectacles for the first time will be going through the tutorial, which is an optional way to learn all of the interaction patterns that you will be asked to use to interact with the device. After completing the tutorial, I can finally explore lenses and experience the creativity of our vibrant developer community firsthand. You can get Spectacles 24 right now joining our developer program. You will need to install Lens Studio, our proprietary software tool for building lenses. Let's go together on spectacles.com and click on Get Specs. Download and install the latest version of Lens Studio on your Windows or Mac computer. Apply for the Spectacles developer program using the form in the Lens Studio editor. In the Spectacles ecosystem, applications are called lenses, and they're created using Lens Studio. Lens Studio is your go-to tool for building the future of spatial computing, offering a premium experience that focuses exclusively on augmented reality. Lens Studio allows you to build lenses in seconds. You can build lenses without writing a single line of code, or vibe coding, using our no-code tools and ready-to-use packages from the asset library. But if you love coding, you can take things farther with TypeScript or JavaScript to bring your ideas to life. If you want to get started with building lenses on Lens Studio, don't forget to look up this tutorial. Once you've joined the developer program, a subscription includes the use of one Spectacles device and is 99 plus tax per month, with a 12-month commitment required. Students and teachers enrolled or working at accredited educational institution are also eligible for educational pricing, which is $49.50 per month. With joining the developer community, you automatically get free support from our developer experience team, and myself included. Just hop on the Reddit and send me a DM. Check out what everyone is building, share your question, and show off your project. We hope you now feel ready to start your own Spectacles journey and become a pioneer in shaping the future of AR. We can't wait to see what you create.